What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to dropship on TikTok Shop with AliExpress. First you have to create your TikTok Shop seller account. Sign up for a TikTok Shop seller account and go through the verification steps to legally start selling on the platform. Step 2. Choose your dropshipping setup. Pick your preferred method to connect AliExpress with TikTok Shop. Option 1. You could use Shopify and integrate with AliExpress through tools like CJ Dropshipping or AliDrop. And for option 2, use TikTok Shop's built-in dropshipping tools that connect directly with AliExpress suppliers. Step 3. Import products legally. Use authorized dropshipping apps to find and add trending, high-quality products from AliExpress into your TikTok Shop. Avoid anything counterfeit, banned, or unsafe to stay in line with TikTok and YouTube's rules. Step 4. Set prices and product info. Adjust your pricing to cover product cost, shipping, and platform fees while making a profit. Write honest and clear product descriptions that follow all legal disclosure requirements. Step 5. Market your products creatively. Use TikTok's marketing features to create engaging videos, live demos, or ads. You can also work with influencers to boost visibility. Just make sure all content is truthful and compliant. Step 6. Handle orders efficiently. Use automation tools from your dropshipping app to forward customer orders straight to AliExpress suppliers, who will ship items directly to buyers. And finally, step 7, all you have to do left is to provide great customer support. Respond to customer messages quickly, honor refund policies, and follow TikTok Shop seller guidelines to maintain a trustworthy and penalty-free store. Compliance reminders: dropshipping on TikTok Shop is completely legal if you're sourcing products responsibly and following all seller rules. Do not sell prohibited, fake, or restricted items. It violates TikTok and YouTube's policies. Stay up to date with the latest rules from TikTok Shop and AliExpress to keep your account safe. This 2025 step-by-step guide helps you build a legit, compliant, and profitable dropshipping business on TikTok Shop using AliExpress the right way. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.